What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning Easter signs. So Easter is on Sunday, and the first sign is Easter. There's a couple ways of signing it. So first, Easter. If you want to say Happy Easter, Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Second one is eggs. 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 And then the third one, which is the last one, is bunny. This is in like a rabbit. So your fingers, this is your dominant hand. I know a lot of people think it's like this, but it's like this. If you want like bunny as like in like a baby rabbit, you do baby bunny or rabbit. But if it's just like bunny, you go like this.